In this video, I'll show you how you can find your Steam account name if you forgot it. Now the way that we can do this is we want to search for Steam, right click, open file location, right click again and open file location. And in here you want to find the config folder. In config you want to find config.bdf, right click, open with and choose notepad. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to press anywhere on the text here and hold down Control and press F to open up the find right here. Then you want to search for account, find next, and it's going to find the accounts. Now if I scroll a little bit down right here, all my account names will pop up that I have logged in with this PC. So obviously I'm not going to show you guys the names, but if you scroll down right here, you should be able to see the names when you have used Steam and logged into them on this one. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.